In this video, we learn about how to copy Instagram profile step by step. Watch complete video, comment, subscribe or like. So start the process. Here in Instagram, click on Instagram. Then click on profile icon. Then share profile. Here is written share profile. Here is written edit profile. If you want to edit your profile, click on there. We want to share my profile. Instagram. Share a profile. Here is a QR code. You want to share this QR code. Then share profile, copy link. I want to copy link, and then I show you in Chrome browser. Here is my profile or not. Click on there and go. Here is my profile. If you find a good video, please like the video and subscribe. I meet with you next video. Thank you.